What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today, we are going to be talking about Shopify, Operation Hope, and us as Black-owned businesses. If you are a Black-owned business and you don't have your Shopify store, or if you do have your Shopify store, you are going to want to stick around. We will get right into it right after this intro. All right, so let's get right into it. Basically, Operation Hope and Shopify have teamed up to allow us to have a Shopify store for a free Shopify store for 120 days. Basically, the project is meant to help Black-owned businesses establish their business and get it going, basically. Okay, so let's get right into it. Shopify and Operation Hope have joined forces to help create 1 million Black-owned businesses by 2030. And the way that they plan on doing that is by offering Black entrepreneurs like myself and you that may be watching a 120-day free trial with Shopify. Typically, I believe the Shopify free trial is only 14 days, which is nice, but 120 days is more than enough time for you to basically see if this is something you, one, want to do, two, you're going to be good at, three, it allows you not to have to put out that money at the start of your business and allow you to generate some profits before you actually start paying for your website, which is great. They are also in this article, and I'll link it in the description below, going to offer tools as well as the Shopify site to help you grow. So things such as technology, resources, educational programs, and opportunities, the opportunity to access capital. Okay, that's a big one. So I think that this is I don't know what it is. I'm making this video so everybody's aware of it. I'm actually going to sign up now. I've been waiting to launch my site. Well, I've been waiting to sign up for the free trial so that it would basically end at the end of the year. And I've just come up with my launch date for my brand, which is going to be October 29th. So I'm like, this is the perfect time, perfect opportunity for me to get this done. I learned about this. Let me shout Charles Smith III out, which is the owner and operator of T-Shirt Millionaires. I am a member of his inner circle. I have his app. I'm a part of the Facebook group, and I subscribe to his YouTube channel as well because he's got some wonderful content out there. He's all about helping people with their T-shirt business in any way that he possibly can. So he was the one who actually told me about this, and I just wanted to put it out there for people just in case people didn't know about it. So I'm going to go. If you want to just go now and check out the site and do it yourself, feel free to go ahead and drop off the video. I would appreciate it if you stayed. But if not, I know we're all busy. Some people might want to see how to walk through these steps. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the steps because I need to do it myself as well. We're going to go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and sign up today for my 120-day free trial so we can get this thing going. All right, let me switch screens. All right, so let's go ahead and start the free trial right now. Start your free trial. Given this program focuses on supporting Black entrepreneurs, enrollment is limited to members of this community. I am Black. I'm an entrepreneur. I can go ahead and hit yes. I don't know how they verify this, but I'm definitely Black. So I'm going to go ahead and hit yes. Start your 120-day trial of Shopify. No credit card required. By signing up, you agree to receive marketing emails from Shopify. You also agree to share your information with Operation Hope, subject to its policy. Yes, 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 and yes. So I've already got the information put in here. I'm going to use my Email address that I'm going to use for my customer support, which is customersupport@bowtimeapparel.com. I got my password in there. I've got my store name in there, and we're going to hit create your store. All right. Step 1, tell us a little bit about yourself. Oh, wow. Okay. We'll help you get started based on your responses. Are you already selling? This is a tricky question for me. Why? I guess I'm not technically selling right now, but I am doing custom stuff. So it's like, am I lying if I say I'm not? I sell with a different system. I'm selling, just not online. Yep. So why don't I put that? I'm selling, just not online. How do you want to sell? Online only. Online only or in person too. Let's just do online only for now. What is your current revenue? Just getting started. Which industry will you be operating in? We're gonna do clothing. Are you setting up your store for a client? No. All right, so we're good to go there. All right, guys. So I'm inputting my information and the address, so I can get paid. This will be used as your default business address. You can always change this later. All right, so let's go ahead and enter the store. So I have created the store. It was literally 3 clicks. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. It was basically 3 easy steps for going ahead and starting the free trial. Like they said, it was no credit card information that was needed in order to start this free trial. So they didn't allow on that. But you can go ahead and do this if this applies to you and your business. Go ahead and drop a like if you thought the content was helpful. Let me know if it was as easy for you as it was for me. And if you plan on joining the community that they're offering as well. I plan on joining it. If it's anything interesting that I need to share with you guys, of course, I'll make a video on it. Trying to keep this short, so thank you for stopping by. Here at About Time, we like moving with time and time, and we hope you do the same. Thank you and have a great day.